Well, guys, it snowed last night. We woke up to a lot of snow here. I'm in the basement right now. I was outside right now cleaning the snow off my car, but it's starting to melt, starting to rain. Unfortunately, it is starting to freezing rain, which is what sucks the most. I'd rather have snow than freezing rain, but there you go. It was a good couple inches this morning when I woke up. Starting to melt away, as you can see. But like I said, unfortunately, it's freezing right now. So here we are, Richland, Washington. Day in the basement tonight. Watching movies because it snowed and now it's freezing rain. So I'm just going to relax for tonight. So here we go. What do we do on snow days? We relax. Maybe some Netflix. A little UFC TV. Yes, anyway. Snow day. Gonna relax today.